The Phoenix project, owned by Baknin Infrastructure Development Joint Stock Company, was built on an area of more than 1.2 hectares in the center of Dongnan Ward, Tucson City, Baknin. This was a project in which the customer contacted Vilai Viet directly after consulting our former clients. Vilai Viet believes that customers who have worked with us are always willing to recommend our services to their network when given a chance. That is the long-term goal we strive for with each project: customer trust. After a period of bidding and negotiating, the investor chose Vilai Viet as the main contractor to perform the construction and exterior finishing for the entire 55 shop houses of the project. All the shop houses were 5-story structures with 2 lower levels suitable for sales or leasing and 3 above stories with elevators for living spaces. Vilai Viet's package includes all construction items: foundation, reinforced concrete structure, M&E system, finishing, and exterior architecture finishing. Vilai Viet's experience in developing almost 1,000 low-rise houses assures that the project will be turned over to the investor with the same high degree of satisfaction as our past clients. Despite the experience, the implementation of the project encountered certain obstacles. The project is being built in the midst of an intense outbreak of the COVID-19 epidemic in the north, which has caused a social crisis and a labor shortage, particularly among construction workers. Despite setbacks, Vilai Viet kept at it, putting in extra effort to resolve labor issues and fulfill promises to the investor. Furthermore, the project encountered some unanticipated events, which are out of our scope, such as clashes with the nearby residential neighborhood. However, with a supportive attitude embedded in our corporate culture, Vilai Viet proactively rectified the challenges to keep the project on track. Vilai Viet also provided value engineering to the investor, intending to save cost, time, and increase aesthetics. These included a recommendation to modify the curved glass design for the round corner, adding practical and aesthetic value to the project, and a modification in the exterior scaffolding system to optimize the schedule and space. The investor praised Vilai Viet's diligent efforts, and we were pleased to be granted a certificate of merit for completing the raw construction ahead of time, despite the epidemic. After all, the Phoenix Tucson project validated Vilai Viet's motto: constantly supporting and exceeding client expectations.